Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This is Gabe with Indigo Software, genuine Microsoft software for less. Before we get started with today's video, if you guys are interested in purchasing Windows Server, remote desktop licenses, Windows 10, Windows 11, Microsoft Office, or a wide variety of other Microsoft software at a great price, be sure to check out Indigo Software. We'll have those links down below. So without further ado, let's jump in. All right, guys, this video should be pretty straightforward and pretty fast, but we'll walk through a couple of potential problems that you might run through. Let's go to PowerShell and we'll right click PowerShell and we want to run as administrator. We're going to enter the following command, and that's powercfg or powerconfig and then / the letter A. Let's press enter. We can see that the following sleep states are not available on the system. We can see that hibernation is not available for fast startup. Let's try running the following command, powerconfig hibernate on, and let's see what happens. So since I'm on a virtual machine, the system firmware does not support hibernation. Now, if you're on a physical computer running Windows Server, these simple steps will enable the fast startup mode for your machine. Let's move on to the next step in the tutorial. We'll hit Windows key and R together to bring up our run box, and we're simply going to type regedit. All right, and then once we're in our registry editor, we're going to go to local machine, click down into system, then current control set, control, session manager, and finally power. You can also just paste this in. We'll go ahead and leave that in the description for you guys. Now, once we do all of this, we're looking for hyperboot enabled. This is the D word value that will already be here. And we'll double click into this and we'll change that value to 1 and then we'll press OK. Now at this point, you'll want to do a server restart. And then once you're back on, we're going to type in control panel. From here, we're going to search for power. We'll go into power options and change what the power buttons do. We want to change settings that are currently unavailable. And then here under shutdown settings, you should now see a fast startup box, and we can just verify that everything is working if this box here is enabled. You can verify if fast startup is enabled by checking in here. Again, that's power options, system settings, and then fast startup here should be checked. All right, guys, so that's going to do it for today's video. If you have any questions about anything we went over, feel free to drop those in the comments below, and we'll get back with you as soon as we can. Again, if you're interested in purchasing genuine Microsoft software at a great price, be sure to check out Indigo Software. We'll have those links down below. As our channel continues to grow, we're constantly looking for new video topic ideas. If you have any ideas of your own, we'd love to hear what those are. Most viewer commented video requests get made into actual videos on our channel. Lastly, a like and subscribe would be greatly appreciated as it helps to support our channel. Thanks again for watching. We'll see you guys next time.